Let's unbox an M5 HD Plus. When you remove the lid, you will see the magnifier. It's in a protective plastic pouch. We'll place that to one side. You can remove the cardboard pieces beneath it, and underneath you will find some of the included items. There is a handle which you can add or remove. There's the power adapter. There's also a bag of silica gel. You can put that to one side, don't eat it. There's also an HDMI cable. There's a plastic bag containing the user guide, a cleaning cloth, the registration guide, and a wrist strap that can be attached to M5, and the carry case. The main zipper opens up the compartment for the device. There's also a zipped pocket on the side which will fit the handle if you want.